Scan-Into Office is an efficient solution for mobile, cloud-based data collection. This solution enables data acquisition in real time, anytime and anywhere. Wondering how that works? A mobile app captures barcodes, images, GPS location data, manual inputs, and much more. Cloud services forward the collected data immediately into documents on your desktop computer. Currently supported destinations are Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Google Sheets. The app is available for Android and iOS. Scan-Into Office covers a wide range of data collection requirements. You can choose from a number of predefined input forms, or you can create individual forms. Curious? Convince yourself and try it for free. Visit the website for further information.